6.1 graph system of linear inequalities in two variables. If I want to graph 2x minus 3y greater than 6, let's talk about the inequality before we actually go into the procedure. If the inequality are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then the boundary line will be a solid. If it's just less than or exclusively greater than, then the boundary line is dash. How do I graph that? Well, if I would have say equal 6, then it's easy for you, right? All you do is what? Pick 2 points, right? Do 2 points and then have a line. That's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to let 2x minus 3y equal 6. Why do I want to do that? Because I want to know what is the boundary line, right? Then once I have the line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a test point to one of the signs. My favorite test point is 0, 0. Now, if your line does not go through 0, 0, then pick that. If your line go through 0, 0, then don't pick 0, 0, right? Because it's going to be on the line. It's not helpful. My point is, pick a test point from one of the signs. Choose your side, doesn't matter which side. Then what you're going to do is you're going to plug in that point that you pick. It's going to be a number, right? You can plug into the original inequality. If you plug it in and it turns out the left-hand side, it is indeed greater than 6, then the side that you pick, it is a solution. If the inequality is true, if it's true, you plug it in and some number come up, say 8 greater than 6, then shade the side of that boundary. If you plug it in and it turns out that is equal to, say, 4 or -2, something less than 6, then you know that your solution will be on the opposite side, right? If the inequality is false, then you shade the opposite side. So that's the procedure. Let's graph this one. So my first thing I'm going to set, my first step, I'm going to set 2x minus 3y equals 6. Why do I do this? Because I need to come up with a line, right? Your function is in the term ax plus by equals c, right? So my best method will be picking what? It will be a table method, right? So if I would have picked 0 for x, what is y? 0 for x. 0 for x gone, right? 6 divided by -3 is -2. If I were to pick 0 for y is 0. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X is 3. You guys okay with this? Yeah. With this? I have 0, -2, and I have 3, 0. 0, -2, right here. 3, 0, right there. You only need two dots, 2 points to make a line. Solid or dash? Solid or dash? Dash, right? That's the equation. 2x minus 3y equals 6. We don't want equation. We want inequality, right? So your next step will be test point. Like I said, pick a sign. You can pick any point from this side or any point from the other side, right? But I recommend you pick something integer, right? Don't do fraction. My favorite is 0, 0. I'll pick 0, 0. Now, hypothetically, if the dashed line go through 0, 0, do not pick 0, 0. Okay, it's not helpful. 0, 0. What do I do with 0, 0? I plug it into the original inequality. Right? So I plug it in. Is 0 greater than 6? No, right? It's false. So what does that mean? I mean, if you, it doesn't have to be 0. It could be any point that you pick in on this side, on the above side, will be false, right? So that means my solution is on the opposite side. Like I said, if the inequality is false, you shade the opposite side. So I shade this side. That would be my solution. So unlike equation, your solution is, how many solutions here? Bless you. How many solutions do I have here? Let me ask again, how many solutions do I have? Infinitely many. Right? And you can check, like, am I shading the right one? You can check, pick a point from here. You can check. Let's check. Let's check. Pick a point here. Say 0, -5. As long as it's on that side, right? I like to pick something that easy for me. 0, -5. You plug it into the original. Is it equal greater than 6? Okay. 0 for x, -5 for y. So checked. It is greater than. Right? So any point that you pick on that shaded side, it'll be greater than 6. You know that you got the right side. Right? Bless you. So, why don't you guys try that one? This should be very easy. What's the solution? Anyone get the solution yet? What's your first step? Yeah, set equal to 5, right? You write out. You got partial credit just to show me your step, right? So set y equal 5. Right? Every time you see inequality, you set it equal first. What y equal 5 looks like? Yeah, horizontal, right? Y equal 5 is horizontal. Good. See, you halfway done. Half of your credit is there. Just show me that. No, I don't want to buy. I don't need to write that. What region do I shade? Down, right? Less than, equal to, right? So, or you can choose test points. Right? Anything below. Oh, sorry, you're right. It should be solid. Thank you very much. You can pick test point, right? 0, 0. Well, it doesn't matter for x. X can be any problem, any values, right? Y is always 5. So 0 less than 5, yes. Now let's go up a level, graphing 2. First, I'm gonna set x minus y equal 3. If I let x equal 0, y equal -3, right? If I let y equal 0, x equal 3. I just need 2 points. Dash, right? Leave a little space. Next, I'm gonna set 5y equal -x plus 20. You notice y is almost solved for. Go ahead and solve for it. Y equal -1/5 x plus 4. Divide both side by 5, right? You don't have to, it's just me doing my thing, right? Everybody have your own way of doing this. You can do t-table like you did above. The reason I'm doing this because I want to show you, I'm going to graph this line using rise over run. The slope is -1/5 rise over run. What is my y-intercept? 4. Very good, right? 4. So from 4, you're right here, that's 4. I'm going to rise down 1, right? Because negative. Down 1 and over to the right 5. There you go. Oh, solid. Thank you. Keep forgetting. Thank you very much. Keep forgetting. Let me do this one in red. So that, yeah, the other one in black. So far, so good. Right. Now the red one, I'm gonna pick a test point just to know which one I'm gonna shade. Again, if it not go through 0, 0, pick 0, 0. And you plug into the original to that one. Is it true? False? False, right? If it falls, then you shade to the opposite side. So 0, 0 right there. If it falls, you shade to the opposite side. Yes. That's the red one. That's the black one. Is it a test point? Oh, okay. Everybody okay up to this point? This section is supposed to be very easy. Okay. All right, we're done with the red one. Let's go to the second one. Now pick a test point. 0, 0 again. No, it doesn't have to be 0, 0. By the way, the test point of the two inequalities doesn't have to be the same. Okay, as long as you pick it on the other side of the line, you'll be fine. Plug it in. I have 0 less than or equal to 20, which is false. Oh, which is true. If it's true, then what? You shade on that side, the same side that you pick the value. Right? Shade, shade, shade. What is my solution? What is the solution of the two? The solution will be where they intersect, right? Just imagine you and your friend go to go see a movie in the cinema, right? You have a bunch of movie, a list of movie you want to watch. He or she have a list of movie you want to watch. You better pick something in common, right? You want to watch it together. Okay. So same thing here. If it's two inequalities, the intersection will be their solution, right? So intersection is where the black and the red together. Right. So I'll use green. Right there, there's something right there. On the exam, I do want you to point out the solution for me. Any questions from this example? You just want to take the quiz? I can say in your tell your face. Almost there. You're almost there. All right. Next one. This one they have more constraints. The first two constraints say x has to be at least 0 and y has to be at least 0. This implies you're gonna focus on quadrant 1, right? X, y both positive. It's quadrant 1. Right? All right, let's do this one. X plus y. Let me say this is red again. Red, black. X plus y minus 6. X plus y minus 6 set equal to 0. If I let x equal 0, y will be 6. Okay. You can do it in your head, not too bad. If I let y equal 0, x also 6. It's going to be solid, both of them. I only care about the first quadrant. I don't bother to extend my line to other parts. Let's finish this one. Before we go to the other one, let's finish this one. So test point. Again, the lines not go through 0, 0, so I'm allowed to pick 0, 0. Is negative 6 less than or equal to 0? Is negative 6 less than or equal to 0? Yes, right, less than. Right? Less than or. Yeah. So one of them true is true. Yeah. So true, but thank you though. True. That means you shade that side. Yay, we're done for that part. Now the second one set 2x plus y minus 8. 2x plus y minus 8 equals 0. If I let x equals to 0, y is 8. Right? If I let y equals to 0, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Everybody okay with this part? Kind of the arithmetic. 0, 8, and 4, 0. Solid line again. You pick a test point. It's very repetitive, the procedure. Is negative 8 less than or equal to 0? Yes, right, thank you. True. So you shade that side again, that 0, 0 side. Now you get the solution, it's the intersection. Right? Move this so it's not too dark. What's the solution? So, what's the region of solution? They call that feasible solution. Later we're gonna study, we call that feasible solution. If you pick any point on that region, you plug it into V2, both will be true, right? Let me see how long do we have. All right, we stop right here. We'll do the quiz.